Since Scratch has been updated to a new version, there is some confusion on how to share. So go ahead and go to scratch.mit.edu. Make sure you sign in or create an account. What you want to do is, in order to share something, for example, if I go to My Stuff and I load a project, you have to go to the See Project page. Well, there is no share button here. So what I have to do is, when I set up an account, I have to go to my email, and then what happens is they give, it's not going to be under Scratch, it's going to be at no reply at scratch.mit.edu. So if you can't confirm your email that way, confirm it this way. Once you have confirmed it, then you can go back to your Scratch account, go back to what it was that you wanted to share, and then you're going to go to your See Project page, and then now you're going to see that there is a share button, and then you are able to share that. If for some reason it is not working, your confirmation, go to your About page, the FAQs, the frequently asked questions, scroll down, and it's going to take you to your email settings. And then when you go to your email settings, you can go ahead and you can receive new updates on that.